termite mushroom. You cannot buy it anywhere in the world. It grows inside a termite nest deep in the mountains of Yunnan, and it can only grow there, in that exact soil. She knows exactly which nest to look for. She knows how the cap feels just before it opens. The weight in your hand like something still living. The smell is the forest floor after rain. When it hits the oil, the whole courtyard changes. White becomes mahogany. Something wild becomes something perfect. You cannot ship it. You cannot replicate it. This is what 1,000 years of knowing tastes like.